7 things that you shouldn't do when applying for a Canadian visitor's visa. I am Jane Katkova, Canadian Immigration Counsel, and I know what to do because I've been doing it for 20 years. Do not think that the officer is your mind reader. The officer is not. He doesn't know anything about you, and frankly, he or she, they don't care. Don't think that the officer knows the reason you are having in mind heading to Canada for a visit. Think that the officer knows how well established you are in your home country. The officer doesn't until you tell the officer about your good establishment in your home country. Don't think that the officer knows which financial resources you will be relying on during the time of your trip to Canada. They don't. Show them. Do not think that the officer knows who is your prospective host in Canada until you tell the officer. Next, do not think that the officer assumes that you would necessarily go back home upon your visit to Canada is finished. You should tell the officer that you are planning to go home. And the last but not least, the officer is not sitting there waiting to give you a Canadian visitor's visa. You have to persuade the officer